Explain the question number first of exercise 8.2 class 12th. Find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to the parabola y square x square is equal to 4y. Solution start. Draw the circle. This radius is 3 by 2. To origin is 0 0, and draw the parabola y square is equal to 4 x square is equal to 4y is up in positive direction of y. This is the x square is equal to y. Equation of the circle 4x square plus y square is equal to 9. Equation first. Equation of the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Equation 2. Solving the equation first and second and find the intersection point of parabola and circle. So x square is equal to 4, put in the equation first. So 16y plus 4y square is equal to 9. 4y square plus 16 minus of 9 is equal to 0. And is two part is 16y minus 2y. So 4y square plus 18y minus 2y minus of 9 is equal to 0. So 2y is common. 2y plus 9 minus of 1 common. So 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. 2y minus 1 and other 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. Intersection point only in positive direction, not for negative direction. So for y is equal to 1 by 2, x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus minus root 2. So intersection points A is root 2 1 by 2 and B minus of root 2 1 by 2. The area of the region should find out according to question is O, A, D and B. So area of the region O, A, D. O is equal to 2 bracket of area of region OA CO plus 2 bracket of area of region CADC. Area of the region OADBO is equal to 2 integration of 0 to 1 by 2 x dy of parabola plus 2 integration 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 x dy of circle. So is equal to 2 integration 0 to 1 by 2 root of y dy, because put the value of x to the parabola equation, plus 2 integration of 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 root of 3 by 2 square minus of y square dy. So put the value of x to the circle. So is equal to 2 bracket of 4 by 3 y की power 3 by 2 bracket limit 0 to 1 by 2 plus 2 bracket of integration of this is y by 2 bracket of root of 3 by 2 whole square minus y square plus 9 by 8 sin square 2y by 3 limit 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Here the formula is used, root of a square minus x square integration of root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x upon 2 root of x square minus a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by 2. So is equal to 4 by 3 is common, so at by 3 bracket of 1 by 2 power 3 by 2 minus of 0, because put the limit inside upper limit minus lower limit, plus 2 bracket of put the upper limit 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 here to is, this term is 0, and 3 by 2 here to, so is pi by 2, because sin inverse 1 is here, so 9 pi by 16 minus of bracket put the lower limit, so 1 by 2 here, so 1 by 4 and bracket of 3 by 9 by 4 minus of 1 by 2, so 1 by 1 upon 2 will is 1 by 4, so here is 1 upon 2 root of 2 plus here put the 1 by 2, so sin inverse 1 by 3, so 9 upon 8 sin inverse 1 by 3, so multiply inside and is equal to 2 root of 2 by 3 plus add pi by 9 at 9 pi by 8 minus of 1 upon root 2 minus 9 upon 4 sin inverse 1 by 3, so root of 2 root of 3 2 by 3 minus 1 upon root 2 plus of 9 pi by 8 minus of 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3, so 9 by 4 is common, so pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 2 is cosinus 1 by 3, sin inverse 1 by 3, so pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is cos inverse 1 by 3, and common is 3 root of 2, so multiply root 2 and multiply by 3, so 4 minus 3 upon 3 root 2, so it's equal to 1 upon 3 root 2 plus 9 upon 4 sin inverse 1 by 3. Draw the diagram of sin inverse 1 by 3. This one is the base, and this is the weekend, and this is the root of 2. So this converted into 2 multiply by root 2 up and numerator and denominator, so root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3.